Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Citizenship Education Content Knowledge Test? This is Praxis Test Code 5087. Praxis 5087 is a multi-subject social studies exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of government, civics, and political science. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. The process of gerrymandering is most closely associated with congressional redistricting, interest group lobbying, Supreme Court nominations, or presidential elections. Interest group lobbying involves efforts to influence legislation and policy decisions through advocacy, which is unrelated to the manipulation of electoral boundaries. So that is not the correct answer here. Supreme Court nominations refer to the appointment process of justices to the highest court, which does not involve redistricting either. So we can cross that out. Presidential elections are the national contests for the presidency, which are conducted at a broad level rather than through manipulated electoral districts. So we can cross that out. The correct answer is congressional redistricting. Gerrymandering specifically refers to the manipulation of electoral district boundaries to favor a particular political party or group, which is a key aspect of the redistricting process that occurs after each census to reflect population changes. Therefore, congressional redistricting is the correct answer. Problem number 2. The main proponent of the social contract theory was Friedrich Engels, Thomas Hobbes, Karl Marx, or Adam Smith. Friedrich Engels, along with Karl Marx, was a key figure in the development of Marxist theory, which focuses on class struggle and the critique of capitalism. So we can cross Friedrich out. Karl Marx is known for his work on communism and his analysis of the capitalist system. So Karl Marx is out as well. Adam Smith is famous for his contributions to economics, particularly the concept of the invisible hand and the foundation of modern capitalism. So Adam Smith is out as well. The correct answer is Thomas Hobbes. Hobbes was a prominent advocate of the social contract theory, particularly in his work Leviathan, where he argued that individuals consent to form a government to escape the brutish state of nature. Therefore, the correct answer here is Thomas Hobbes. Problem number 3. The article of Constitution that outlines the powers and structure of the executive branch is Article 1, Article 2, Article 3, or Article 4. Article 1 deals with the legislative branch, detailing the powers and structure of Congress. So that is incorrect. Article 3 addresses the judicial branch, establishing the Supreme Court and outlining the powers and responsibilities of the federal judiciary. So this is not correct either. Article 4 pertains to the states and their interactions with each other and the federal government, covering topics like state rights and the admission of new states. So that is also incorrect. The correct answer here is Article 2, which specifically outlines the powers, duties, and structure of the executive branch, including the roles of the president and vice president. And therefore, Article 2 is the correct answer. I trust that I was able to clarify the types of questions that you will find about the subtopic of government, civics, and political science for the Praxis 5087 Social Studies exam. please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.